Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson ET 2650 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to print documents on this printer using the iPhone. So basically it's very easy to do. Of course, I know you will try to download the Epson iPrint application, you will try to download the Epson Smart Panel application, but these apps are useless, and I'll tell you why. Because these applications are very old and they are never updated. Unfortunately, but it's true. And if you wanna print something, if you wanna print any document, I suggest you to print the document using the normal iPhone printing feature. For example, now I will create a document in the notes with the random text. And to print any document, firstly you need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer connected. So first you need to know how to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network. If you don't know how, so watch our video about it. Then click share button on your Windows or your iOS device and click print. And here we have printer, click on it. And if your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, here you will see Epson ET 2650 series. Click on it. And now you need to set up the printing. So how many copies you want to make? Did you want to print in color or you want to print in black and white? As you can see, I have only several words, so I don't need to print it in color. Choose the paper size. I have the normal plain A4 paper. You can change the orientation, portrait or landscape, and you can change the scaling, so you can scale your document. Of course, it's useless if you have document from the notes, but if you have document from, if you have the photo, for example, or I don't know, or image, you can scale it to fit to the page. Of course, I can scale text too. For example, I can scale it in 250%. I can scale it to, for example, 500%. No, I can't. And in this way, I will have large text. Of course, we can do it, but it will better if you will scale text not in printing feature, but on the Word or on the notes when you create the document. Then just click print and wait a while. If your smartphone and Epson printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, smartphone will send document using the Wi-Fi router to your Epson printer. And as you can see, document was successfully printed. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.